Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. Turning your wood paneling into smooth wall, part 5, so let's get started.
The excess mud. Now we're going to be applying the fiberglass tape. Self-adhesive tape. This tape is very easy to work with. Other than finding the end, especially on a brand new roll. There we go. The easiest way to cut this, being that you want to cut the new end off because of the excess tape and the wrapping that it has. So just take a knife and cut it.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe.
So being that it's
And ring the
self-adhesive
notification
tape, just
bell.
take it,
Please leave a
apply it.
comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.